So hey there tech enthusiasts, it's Andy with MrYouWho, and we're back in action with a fresh scoop on the JBL Tune Buds, which you can see here. Now get this, we're talking bass tuned audio that's going to give you playlist a new lease in life. And guess what? It's all under $100. Yes, you heard that right. So let's unwrap these goodies and see if they're up to this stuff or just another gimmick in the gadget galaxy. Now these earbuds are also part of the JBL Choose Your Earbud range, which we did a video of. You can see the video just here. Now these are the actual bud design. Now as you can see on the video, there are other types of earbuds and styles that you can choose. Now what about these earbuds? Well, the JBL Tune Buds will stand tall or fall short. Stick with me and let's find out together. And hey, if you're itching to snag a pair after our chat, I've got those golden links waiting just for you below. Also, if you want to check out my other channel, it is Freedom in Hours, as you can see just here. So in this channel, we're dedicated to helping individuals achieve success in personal and professional life, especially through online business ventures. So make sure you check the video out. And also guys, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and let us know what you think of the video. And you can also check out all our other JBL videos as well. Anyway, let's not pause any longer. Let's jump into it now at MrYouWho.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
So you are taking a look at the JBL Tune Buds, and as you can see there, they are in the packet. This is part of JBL Bud range, which we went into in the Choose Your video comparison previously. Just going to take a look and see what comes in them. Now the great thing with these is to start with there, you've got your instruction guide, your booklet. I'm not going into too much detail with that. I'm going to open up a bit further. And there is the earbud case. Now doesn't that look really, really nice just there? Doesn't that look lovely? And we've also got the USB-C charging cable here. And you've also got different tips you can use as well. I'll put these to the side though and actually have a look at what comes in it in more detail. So there is the case there. Now the great thing with this case is it comes with 48 hours of battery life. So you get 30 hours in the case and you get 12 hours in the earbuds as well. Now the earbuds charge with just 15 minutes. You get 4 hours playtime with them as well. Now there's the design. As you can see, there's slightly different design than other earbuds I've actually done in the past. As you can see, they're just there. Now they're touch controlled as well. So you press them by obviously pressing that button there. And that's how they sit in the ears as well. They don't have a fin design, which ones I've used previously have had that. So they're slightly different. Go put them back. So here's a bit more about the case. So there you go, just there. So it's magnetic. So you pop the earbuds in. As you can see, they lock straight in there, just like that. Nice and easy. Now also you've got USB-C charging there at the back. Now these are IP54 rated as well. So this means they're water resistant and dust proofed. Now to start with, these are very straightforward to operate. So you pop them in your ears, just like this, and you pair them to your phone. Now just like all JBL earbuds, they have controls on either side. So on either side you can change tracks. So on this side you can pause, play music, skip tracks. On this side you can do noise cancelling or ambient aware as well. And you can also use the voice assistants as well, for example Siri or Google. Now let's talk turkey. The JBL Tune Buds are kicking up some serious bass. But the big question is, can they cancel noise without breaking the bank? Well, JBL's pitching these with a promise of customizable audio and an above average battery life. But that's not all. They're throwing in acceptable noise cancellation to sweeten the deal. And guys, much like other JBL earbuds as well, you have the noise cancellation and also the ambient aware on here as well. Now the Tune Buds keep it real with JBL's signature bass forward sound right out of the box. And for those who like to tweak things, there's an in-app EQ that lets you sculpt the sound to your taste. So the noise cancellation, it's decent and goes quite well. I'd say probably not the best in the marketplace, but then again for the price, I'm not complaining. And again, you get that built-in Alexa, all the while keeping your wallet pretty happy as well. Now these aren't the JBL Live Free 2, which I did a review on. They're the premium ones. These are the next level down as well, so it goes quite well. Now, the default audio signatures in these might not hit the correct right notes for audio files that look for accuracy. So you got to really change it through the EQ settings. Now, if you want to look at the flip side of this, the buds are fairly bulky, but they're comfortable as well. And they also come with 3 snazzy colors. Now they've got very, very secure fit as well. So if you can look at it there, you can see just there, it fits right in. You've actually got to turn it around sometimes too, which I find sometimes it takes a bit to do. They've got 10mm drivers and they're delivering frequencies from 20 Hertz all the way to 20 kilohertz as well, which is great. They've also got Bluetooth 5.3, check, AAC and SBC cordless, double check, and JBL might just sweeten a deal with LC3 support down the line. Now the Soundcore Liberty might outdo them with LDAC codec support, but the Tune Buds aren't far behind. Multi-point pairing prowess. And again, as we spoke about before, controls are a breeze. So you can actually use them to tap on either side, and again, they'll pull up the music and pull up the sound. We also use the ambient aware as well. Work very, very good as well. You could walk around, press it, and you could hear traffic around you. And also, changing music is very, very good. So it's all there at your fingertips too, which is really, really good. And for all the marathoners out there, these buds boast an IP54 rating. So rain or shine, they're safe. They won't make a splash in a pool, but they'll handle a workout session just fine. And as you guys know, Mr.YouWho loves being in the gym. I really do. As for the case, it's smooth, it's sleek, and tells you just how much juice you've got left with these nifty LEDs. There's no wireless charging though, but up to 12 hours of battery life with ANC off. Who's to complain? And if you do run low, a quick 15-minute charge gets you back up for another 4 hours, which is great. Going back into the app as well, JBL's got your back with battery stats, sound settings, and all those tweaks you need to make those buds truly yours. And again, the noise cancellation, it works very well. It's modest, but it's very effective in cutting down the clutter. So you can focus on what matters, the music. And I actually did try these out and about with noise cancelling, and they work very well. In regards to the audio test, let me tell you, from sub bass to high mids, the Tune Buds bring it their A game. No distortion, just pure, unadulterated sound. Whether it's hip hop or classical, these buds have got the range to make every genre shine. How about the mic quality? Crystal clear. I made a call and it was like talking face to face. That 4-mic array that's in earbuds isn't just for show, it's for serious clarity. So it's a verdict. For less than $100, the JBL Tune Buds pack a punch with plenty of thumps. Sure, the JBL Live Free 2 might be the crowning jewel in a JBL Bud crown, but for a bass first sound and a tag that's less than a Benjamin, the Tune Buds are definitely worth a listen to. And that's it for our JBL Tune Buds extravaganza. We'll be doing a unboxing as well in future, guys, so you can actually see what comes in the box. And if you want to get your hands on one of these or just want to know more about it, there's links below. And as always, if you dig what you're seeing, show some love with a like, subscribe for more tech talk, and hit that bell so you won't miss out on our next tech adventure. Guys, love being with you today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned, stay sound, only here with Andy at Mr.YouWho.